back to another video, guys. Today's video, I'm gonna be wrapping my iPad Pro, back of it, with dry carbon vinyl. So this is the film we're gonna use right here. I love the look of dry carbon. This is by Vivid. First time using their dry carbon, so we're gonna try it out on this iPad, and then I will use it on something bigger yet, but I'll just give my little thoughts while we wrap the iPad Pro. Okay, so I've got my iPad here. I've got the old film. I actually had paint protection, tinted paint protection film on it earlier. Just took that off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean the iPad with ISO. Now at this point, I have not decided if I'm gonna try to wrap the edges or just go up until the edge. It is always in this case, so either way, it doesn't really matter too much what I do. I think I'm just gonna go till the edges. All right, then I do have my piece here. I'm gonna try to line it up so that the lines on the carbon are running this way. So pretty much exactly what I have here. Just take backing paper off. Squeegee down the center once there. And go side to side here. You don't have to put a crazy amount of pressure. As you can see, the Apple logo is kind of in there now. I'm just gonna heat it up a little bit more and press it in. So I'm just gonna take the heat gun. You guys have no way of seeing that. Okay, anyway, I may or may not decide to cut that out yet. For now, I'm gonna leave it there. All right, got another light here. Found that you guys probably couldn't see too well. So we're now gonna go around by the camera. Move up a little bit. Just gonna stretch that down. There isn't much surface area there for it to actually grab, so it's going to take a little bit. Okay, now I'm just going to cut around by the camera here so I can press it down all the way in here. This is my first time trying this knife that Vivid sent me. Very light pressure. Just scoring the film. As you can tell. So I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna lift this up so it's not actually tacked down. Do some trimming there, but other than that, get this guy wrapped around the edges. I actually think I'm going to, what do I want to do here? Just gliding my blade along the top here. Yeah, that's sweet. Super clean. What do you guys think? I'm pretty happy with that. That little silver just adds a little touch there. Heat around the edges. Just 3 little bumps for plug it into something. Just charging. So lift this up. Just gliding my blade along the edge. With something like this, it's just the slower you go, the cleaner it's going to turn out. There she is, all finished up. Got the Apple logo just kind of embossed in there. Leaving it like that. Super clean around the camera. Then I noticed that I have one bubble. I'll get rid of that yet. Super clean. Some angles you can barely see the Apple logo. Other angles it just pops. Nice clean edges. Not so clean front. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Well guys, let me know what you think of this. Just a fun little video I felt like doing, and I just wanted this thing wrapped in carbon fiber. So leave a comment down below on your thoughts, and if you guys are dry carbon fans or gloss carbon. Also, there's like epoxy carbons and stuff like that. Really cool stuff they can do with film. So yeah, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below for more future content like this. See you guys in the next video. I'm out. Have a great night.